Hello, my friends. So I'm going to do my first layout with my scrapbookingstore.com April 2020 kit. And these are the papers I have chosen so far. I know I have all my little scrappy mess there. I'm going to put a sketch right here that I'm going to use to go with it. So I love these papers. I love this little rainbow, this really great kind of tomato soup color. And then I have two scraps I want to make sure to use. This is a sketch that I am going to use right here. And like I said, I'm going to make sure to post it right here so you can see me craft along with it. And these are the photos I'm going to use. This is my youngest daughter with a needle sticking out of her face because she recently got a nose ring. She pulled it out and couldn't figure out how to put it back in. So she decided to go ahead and see if the hole was still fully open, and gross enough, it is. So I'm going to scrapbook these pictures because this is real life and take you along with me. All right, my friends, so what I did is I started with the scraps that I showed you, and I went ahead and, I didn't even measure them. I just cut them. They look 2-inch-ish, and I'm lining them up along the left side, the mostly left side of the page, I guess the 2/3 to the left side of the page, if that makes any sense. And, I'm not being too precious about if they are, I guess, perfectly set up between them, although I am trying to make sure that the outside of the box that I am making is approximately the same size, because I'm going to go ahead and add a treatment to my page, much like what you see in the sketch. I grabbed some old school handy dandy rub-ons. These are by Doodlebug, and it's all kinds of stitches rub-ons, and I'm telling you guys, these things are not new at all, and they work like the day I got them. I don't even know how that's possible, because nowadays you buy rub-ons and it seems like they dry out, after a couple days. So I have no idea, but they worked perfectly. Okay, you can see I went ahead and used 4 different stitches to do rub-ons all the way around the box, and I was pretty much closely replicating what you see in this sketch. Now, of course, I'm sure that the dimensions are different. And then I did decide to go ahead and flip my whole layout over, and the reason why is I saw the direction that my daughter's eyes were facing, and I just liked it better. I figure I'm the boss of my whole 12 by 12 space, so I went for it. And I really like it. I think it's fun. So this is the part that's kind of fun. I really need to get used to this set of products that I have. It's my first layout. So I do a lot of, kind of auditioning the pieces, seeing what I like with what and seeing what will make sense and all that kind of thing. And, I did know, where I approximately wanted the photo, and I knew that I really I love the colors. I'm going to try to pop the title, opposite of where it is on the sketch and all that kind of thing. Now I did like this really large bold circle. I think that it works well for the sketch. So I'm popping that on up. And did I bring it up before? Oh, I did. That I'm using a sketch. It's the 14th day of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. And I have no idea how that lady does it with 3 babies at home, but boy, does she put out great content on YouTube. Anywho, so we're doing that every day this month, and I'm doing it with my different products and collabs and all that kind of stuff. And I'm having a ball because sketches are my very favorite starting off point. So what you see me doing here is I'm looking through all the pieces that I have and auditioning all of them to see what might work to tell this story. I like these two little banner pieces that were in the die cut pack, so I layered them up. I do know I want to use that big circle where I have it, and I also looked for other circular pieces because I like to repeat elements. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this down. Now I'm using all different kinds of adhesive right now because I am trying to use up these tape runners that I have all over my scrap room. I have, just some that are half full from different things I've tried out or they've been gifted to me or whatever. So yeah, you're going to see different ones come in, and as I use them up, I'll grab the next one. I did love this bold coral color chipboard piece, so I put it right in the center, and I figured that could work as my title. That chipboard piece was from one of the upgrades, and it is a Project Life chipboard piece, and I mean, they're just gorgeous. We got 3 sheets of chipboard, and we got, I think it's also 3 sheets of Heidi Swap Shiny Puffy words and icons. I mean, really, really great add-ons or upgrades, I should say, this month in our kit. And they are such a great color match. I've really been enjoying looking at them and planning on working with them and all that kind of thing. I also grabbed that Life chipboard piece that was part of the same set, and they're not spot on, but it's kind of fun that they're the same saturation. I'm going to use this little die cut piece and pop it up on a little fun foam and use it as if it's directional. And that is just kind of bulking up my little title area and adding yet more pattern and color. Love that kind of thing. So you saw right there some of those Project Life chipboards, and that little tab that you see right there is one of them. There's a bunch of tabs in there, and it's great. It allows you to have like a little bit of a thing that draws your eyes toward the photo, and it has a bright white base, so you can put date, you can put tiny word stickers, whatever you need. But yeah, I loved the little office supply vibe that were on those. So the majority of my layout is done. I have that whole base down. I have great background for my pattern paper. I kind of have this quilting thing going on, some faux stitching with my rub-ons. And now I'm putting in the rest of these gorgeous colors. And we have this whole 70s vibe going on. And I'm a 70s baby, so I think that they're just awesome. This kit also has this really strong girl power kind of vibe, which you'll see in my other projects that I have going on. I have another layout coming and some really cool funky cards. So yeah, really great stuff. And I couldn't be more pleased that we were given a kit that is bright and cheerful and absolutely perfect for this time of year. I will leave all the links down below for where you can get this kit, our Facebook group, all that kind of thing. And also I'll leave an affiliate link as well. It does not cost you anything whatsoever to use it. So if you want to use it, it'll help support my channel. And if you don't, I totally get that. That's perfectly fine. But that will be down below. If you have any questions or comments, I will get back to you as soon as humanly possible. I generally can get back to people within 24 hours because, yeah, I sit down with a cup of coffee and enjoy chatting with my subbies. So yeah, if there's any of that kind of stuff, just reach out to me and I will get back to you. So this is the fun part, like the most fun part of doing layouts is when you just get to finish the little decorative bits. I loved that little girl die cut. She has darker hair and she's looking kind of funky, reminds me of my daughter. I have a blonde daughter and a brunette daughter, so yes, hallelujah that scrapbooking goodies can be varied enough that all these little things can help tell the story. Now that little hashtag right there, that is one of those Heidi Swap Shiny Puffies, and yeah, I love all things Heidi Swap. So anytime we can get them in a kit, it makes me ever so happy. So I'm sprinkling the shiny ones around wherever I can, just giving myself like a different texture. We have the texture of the pattern paper. My rub-ons have a slight shine. The shiny puffies have that gorgeous shine to them, clearly. And my chipboard has like a satin sheen to it. So we do have some different things going around. So now what you see me doing here is I'm starting to look at what sprinkly bits can I add just to finish this off. So I'm grabbing some of my enamel dots, and I always try to grab the ones, if I can, that I'm trying to finish up the packs on. We all have those that have some stragglers, and you see on that set I just have some of the blue ones left. So I'm just testing out colors, seeing what will work, and trying to enhance this just a little bit. I do have a thing for tiny word stickers, so I looked in my stash at a sheet that I'm working my way through, and I'm adding a few of those sentiments to this page, and I think that they do add a lot. It's more of an off-white with black writing, tiny word stickers, and it's just helping to tell the story a little bit. This was kind of funny. Oh, and in case you want to know, she never got it back in, and I hope she does not get it re-pierced. She impulsively did it, so it would have been one thing if she thought about it for a while first. I hope you like what I did today. I'm going to show you this a little bit more of a close-up, and I will be back ever so soon with another video and another layout. Thank you so much, friends, for watching. Take care.